Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to make a quick, easy, and delicious meal, a one-pot meal that most everybody loves when they come to your house to eat it. And we're going to have these white egg noodles. We're going to have kielbasa. Oh, everybody loves kielbasa. We'll use 3 cups of this beef broth and a half a bag of this 3 pepper and onion blend here, and that's going to be about 11 ounces because it's a half a bag in a 22-ounce bag, so it'll be about 11 ounces. So now let's get started. By the way, this is froze and this is froze, so we're going to go over here to the Ninja FOODi DELUXE. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this blend in here. This is really delicious. If you haven't ever tried this, you need to try this one time. It's really good, and you can use it in about everything because it's just peppers and onions, you know, so peppers and onions is good. And so now we'll put this kielbasa in there. Now when we're finished with the pressure cooking on this, we're going to take this kielbasa out and cut it up in smaller pieces. But being as it's froze right now, we're not going to worry about it. And so now we've got this 3 cups of beef broth here we're going to put down in here. Okay, that does it for that. Okay, now next thing we're going to do is get our pressure lid out here. Line up your arrows in the front just like this. There's a little arrow that matches it right there, and turn it clockwise till it stops. Make sure you turn your vent back here in the back to seal and not vent. Make sure this valve is turned to sealing and not venting. Alright, and now we'll come over here and turn on the power. Alright, we'll go over here to pressure cook, and it's on high. Now it says 10 minutes, so in order to change the time you need to push the time button like that, and it'll start flashing, then you can run it down or up, whichever way you want to go. And we're going to cook this for 3 minutes, is all we're going to cook it for right now, because we just mostly want to thaw everything out. And so next thing we're going to do, we're going to hit the start button. Okay, and now as you know, it chases each other with these little lights around for a few minutes before it builds up enough pressure to seal it. And while we got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it, and thank you very much for watching our videos. And so it should take about 10 minutes to do this. I'll keep track and let you know, and we'll be back. While we're waiting, I just wanted to show you this chicken here I froze about a month ago. And I've done it with my chamber vacuum sealer. So it's sealed up good and froze. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it thaw out, because hopefully this will be my next video after this. But I'm going to thaw it out, and I'm going to cut it into 8 pieces, and then I'm going to air fry it. So we'll see how that, so stay tuned. So at the end of this one, stay tuned to see the next one. Okay, now it's been about 15 minutes since I hit that start button on this thing, but now everything in there was froze. So, and there comes the seal up right then, so it's sealed. And now it's taking another couple of minutes here to start counting down the minutes. So it shouldn't take long now. It shouldn't be about a minute, minute and a half. And there it goes. It didn't take but about 45-50 seconds, and it's starting to count down for our 3 minutes now. Now 3 minutes, we'll turn this thing off, and we'll take the top off, and we'll take that kielbasa out and slice it up and put it back in there, and then we'll go from there. Alright, we're down to 25 seconds now, and it's just about time to release the pressure off this thing, because I'm not going to let it rest any at all. I'm just going to release the pressure as soon as it gets down to 0. If you get a chance, go down and check out our links below. You might see something you like from Amazon down there. Go to our, visit our store, you know. So anyway, we got 3 more seconds. All right, now I'm gonna turn this pot around a little bit so I can handle it better when I take off the lid. I'll bring it over here so you can see. Now chances are this noise is going to be so loud you can't hear me, so I'm not even going to try to talk. So here we go, we're going to release it. There you go. Okay, now it's been releasing pressure for 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So it should be about finished. Okay, and there it goes. It took 3 minutes and 50 seconds for it to release the pressure on that. Now, for all you newcomers, make sure you turn this thing counterclockwise, lift it straight up, turn it away from your face and upside down. And take it over to your sink and turn it back right side up so it can drain the water out. Now, well, let me move around a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to take this kielbasa out. Well, that stuff smells good. Put it on this plate here. I'll take it over here where I can carve on it. Right down here. Got a handy dandy Cuisinart knife. These are sharp knives, by the way. Now we just start cutting this stuff up. Love kielbasa. I guarantee you there'll be at least one piece that don't go back in that pot. Okay, now we'll put it back in this pot over here. Okay, now we'll turn the pot back around so y'all can watch it. Okay, now I'm going to turn the power back on and we'll put it over here on sear saute. Now it's going to be on high and we'll push the start button. Okay, and that shouldn't take it too long to heat up here. We'll wait till it heats up good and then we'll pour these egg noodles in there. I might have to put a little bit more water in there, but I'm not sure yet, but we'll see in a second or two. Okay, now as you can see, that's starting to roll pretty good there. So I'm going to take this, I got this 12 ounce bag here, these wide egg noodles. We'll dump in there. Start stirring them up real good. Now see, right now I'm going to need to add a little more water to these. I want to let it get going good again. Okay, I'm going to dump 2 more cups of water in here. That's going to make it better. Yeah, that'll be just about right there. Now, I'll come back to a boil here in just a second. Okay, now it's boiling good again, so let's give it a little stir here. Won't be long now. That's going to be some good stuff right there. It sure does smell good. Okay, now that's looking pretty good now. Look here, with every mouthful you get, every spoonful you get all those veggies and some kielbasa. We'll take a couple of these noodles out just to see if they're done yet. See if I can pick one up. Need just a little more time. It gives me time to put the salt in. I just now tasted that noodle, it needs a little salt. And a little pepper. That looks good. Now this will be one of those things that won't go to waste around here, I guarantee you that. Every bit of this will get eaten up. Alright, now let's get some out so we can taste it, just see what it's going to be like. I'm going to turn the power off here so it can start cooling down some. I don't want to keep cooking so much. Okay, now it's cooled down some here so you can get a hold of some of it without it burning you so bad. As usual, I already tasted just a little bit of it. I had to put more salt in it. But I swear it's good. Okay, now this is really delicious right here. This is really good. Tell you the truth, though, next time I do it, I'll put a few more of these in there. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and add some more to my pot, because it's just so good. Alright, now that's about it for this little short video on this kielbasa and egg noodles here. Now I sure hope you'll try it sometimes, because it sure is good. You know, and it's quick and it's easy, so if you're in a rush and you need to get something done, actually if I hadn't been recording this, I could probably have done it in about 10 or 15 minutes. So about the same amount of time this video is going to take. So, you know, so jump on in there and get started on it and you'll be done in a few minutes. You know, and if your kielbasa and all is already thawed out, you don't even have to do this. So, till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. And come back and see me real soon. If you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye now.